how to make money on people per hour as a LinkedIn profile optimizer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, People Per Hour is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the visitors of the platform. So for example, if someone comes to the platform and he's looking for a LinkedIn profile optimizer, he'll just go to the search button in here and click on search freelancers and then enter the skill that he's looking for, LinkedIn profile optimizer. Click on the search button and click on all offers. Then he will be able to see all of the offers that are offered, or all of the freelancers that are doing the same skill like the one he's looking for. So here we have manage all social media pages, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, write your interview winning CV in 3 days, see my reviews, and he's getting paid $105, and this one is getting paid $80, $205, $35, 35, 40. So as you can see, the price varies from a person to another. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile just like those freelancers to showcase your skill. So let's go back to the main page, the first page, and here go to your top right, click on the freelancer button, and then click on I want to work as a freelancer. Then click on sign up with email, and you fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. And for me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my email and my password. And click on login. And as you can see in here, you're almost ready to start selling. Please complete your application in order to join our community of the highest quality freelancers online. A solid application proves to us that you're serious about selling and gives our buyers confidence that you're a great fit for their needs. So here, let's apply now. Complete your profile to join our global community of freelancers and start selling your services to our growing network of businesses. So here, drop your profile picture first, then you proceed to enter in your job title. So for example, if you are an award-winning web developer, or if you are a LinkedIn profile optimizer, then you proceed to enter in your skills, and the maximum amount of skills that you can enter is 15. So make sure to use these 15 spots wisely. So let's start with LinkedIn. So here we have LinkedIn marketing, LinkedIn advertisement, and LinkedIn recruiting or management. Let's go LinkedIn profile, LinkedIn recruiting, page design. Let's go with profile, profile writing, and profile again, company profile writing, and that's enough. Then you proceed to enter in your description. As you can see, the about you. So here you describe yourself to buyers. And guys, in order to make a decent description for your profile, we're going to go and spy on our competitors, check their descriptions. Let's open this in a new window and let's check our competitors, see how they organize their description, what are the elements that they are mentioning in the description. So for example, let's check first. Let's go to all offers, and then let's check this one's description, or let's check this one. Write your LinkedIn profile for better results, SEO friendly. So here, let's check her description. She's got some sales, as you can see, 365 sales. It's like how much days we have in the year. That's ironic. So here, let's read more about her description, and from the get-go you'll notice that this is a very long description. Just seeing this made me get bored and made me wanna leave her profile and go check someone else's profile. So guys, make sure to not make a mistake like this one, making your description very long. Make sure to make it a short and brief description with the important information only, nothing too much. Let's go with this one to check his description. So he has a lot of sales as well, and here let's check his description. So this is an example of a decent description, very short and brief. More than 2,000 successful CV, LinkedIn, and covering letter writing jobs completed on PeoplePerHour. Check out my 5-star reviews. Your CV is optimized for applicant tracking systems, so will be found on recruiter searches. Your CV is written from scratch. As a CV writer, resume writer, covering letter writer, and LinkedIn profile writer, I have written CVs for hundreds of people from all walks of life and within many different market sectors. My CV writing services help people to win their dream jobs. I work hard to communicate individuality to the reader and will work with you to evoke the desired response in the reader. In a nutshell, my job is to compel the reader to take action. So this is a very good description. As you can see, we can take that as our inspiration. So here, after you're done with your description, then you proceed to add in your location, the languages that you can speak: English, Arabic, French, Germany, or any Dutch or any other language that you can speak. Then you enter your hourly rate and you choose the currency that you want to go with, and then you click on submit application. And that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.